Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by stopping the flow. Turn off the local shutoff or main and open the faucet to drain lines. Once done, position a bucket and towels under the spout. Use a soft cloth to protect chrome and have an adjustable wrench, Allen key set, and penetrating oil ready. You'll need them in the next steps. Make sure to note handle type and any visible screws so you don't strip fasteners when you begin removing trim. You'll now remove the handle and trim to expose the faucet head. First, find the set screw often under a cap or at the back and loosen it with the right Allen key, then pull the handle straight off. Next, pry off the escutcheon and spray penetrating oil on any corroded joints. Once freed, use an adjustable wrench to turn the retaining nut or collar counterclockwise while holding the cartridge or spout steady so the assembly doesn't twist. Now remove the faucet head or cartridge by pulling straight up. Wiggle gently if it's snug. Inspect O-rings, seals, and the aerator for mineral buildup and replace damaged parts. Cleaning the passage ensures good flow. If the head remains stuck, apply a little heat to expand metal or use a gentle puller. Avoid excessive force to prevent cracking. Reassemble in reverse order, turn the water back on slowly, and check for leaks, if leakage persists.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.